Hello everyone. Welcome to Marking Up with HTML for Beginners. I am Amit Kumar and this is the second section of our course named HTML Head, and following tutorials are there in this section. Tutorial 8, what is the HTML head? Tutorial 9, the meta element. Tutorial 10, custom icon and language. Tutorial 11, linking styles and scripts. So let's begin. So this is the tutorial 8 of our course, what is the HTML head? And in one of our previous tutorial, I told you that we are going to discuss the head tag in quite a detail. Now let's see what is the HTML head. The head element contains the content which is not displayed on the page, and this statement you have already seen in the previous tutorial, and it's true. HTML head is that part of the HTML in which we keep those things that we don't want to display actually. Now what are these things that we don't want to display? One of the thing is the metadata. Now metadata about the document means what? Metadata itself is actually information about the data. So metadata means data that describes data. For example, metadata of an HTML document tells various things like character encoding. You have already seen that meta char set element, the same element, character encoding, author name, the person who created the document, keywords, the important words through which you are going to search this particular page, and description, which tells many more things about the page itself. So there can be plenty of other informations about the metadata. Now if we see a normal head example, so this was one of the example which we have used in one of our previous page. And I have shown you here one more example. Now this complex bit of code is actually the head element of our YouTube page. Now definitely it contains plenty of information. So I am not showing this thing to scare you or to tell you that head is a very complex thing. I am just showing you that head can contain plenty of information and don't consider it as unnecessary for the page. It is one of the most important part of the HTML document when it comes the real world programming. Now let's talk about the title element. Now title element is actually the metadata which tells the title of the overall document itself. And you know that this title is shown on the browsers tab as well as it is suggested as the bookmark name. But it is also used in search results. Now sometimes we want our page to be searched with certain keywords. So definitely title is one of the keywords through which various search engine can search our certain page. Now this is an example how we can provide a title to a document. Now that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next video tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.